The Brain Restore research project is looking at the lives and family members of people who have a brain tumour diagnosis here in Ireland. So what we're looking at is the rehabilitation needs of people who have been diagnosed with the brain tumour. People could help by participating. We'd love to hear from them on what their experience has been since they've been diagnosed with a brain tumour. Have they had any issues with physical effects such as issues with walking or strength in arms or legs or balance issues? Have they had any issues with regulating their emotions, or have they become more anxious and find that they may need more help and support with the emotional side of things, or are they needing more help and assistance with cognitive issues, so how to kind of battle the fatigue that they may be having from the surgery or treatment? So that's how they could help, by telling us their experience from it. Those who are interested in participating, we have two different groups that you could be allocated into. The first group are for people who've been diagnosed within the first year, so we will do 4 monthly questionnaires with them, and they will be simple enough questions. It will just be scoring something like, how's your walking been in the last week, scored on a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being no problems at all, 5 being severe problems. And the second group, for those who are willing to participate, is a once-off semi-structured interview, and that is for people who have been diagnosed at least a year ago, and it will be to look at how life has been since the diagnosis and since they have undergone any treatment. If you would like to help us with this research and participate, you can email me just here, or else you can speak to one of your neuro-oncology nurse specialists or oncology nurse specialists when you're in at your next appointment.